The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. I want the video catch me now. I want this to fuck up your blood class, get to God. Come here, come on, bus stop. Let's go outside. And I show no, I don't want to camera the from me, I'm not going to prison. I hope them want you. Right out the door, because you're too out of order. Just stare on my phone. How dare you stare in my phone? How dare you stare in my privacy? How dare you stare in my privacy, bitch? You ugly ass bitch. You can't be on nobody's fucking camera. You're too ugly. You're a ghostbuster. Why you want to be seen? Why the fuck you want to be seen? Move the mask. If you stink breath coming through the mask. If you stink breath coming through the mask. I'm out of here. Stop in my private business. Put phone in what face? Do you have a face? Bitch, you ain't got a face. You're a ghost. Bitch, you ain't got a face. And I mean, traitor. You ain't got a face. Hold on, baby. Hold on. The face of the devil is a liar. The devil is a liar. Now, if you want to ugly blood-clad people, always want to tell problem. You will never be going to step outside and think it's good. Come like saying I understand. Move well when you step out that door. I swear to God. You ugly ass motherfucker. Who want to put you on video? You're just not talking right now. I'm here to say, come up step off the bus. So come up step off the bus then now. Stop talk. Come on now. Come, let's step off the bus. We don't want to have a big mouth.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, seriousskilla here. Big up and respect to each and every one. And you know, what had happened in this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, to me, it is no laughing matter, you know? Yeah, some of the times we really and truly have to say, yo, it's really kind of weird to see some of the things that get attention on social media, you see me? Now, I see something happen in this video, you see me? And you know, what had happened, it gives me the belief that there might be persons out there that seems to find it amusing when persons out there argue or even fight. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And the reason why I'm saying this is because, you know, when we watch this video, me see where one person look at the other person and say, yo, you know, let's go outside. Basically, it's like the person that say, yo, let's get off this vehicle and go outside. So it would seem as if this person is saying, yo, we are gonna fight if we go outside. You see me? That's how I am assuming it. You see me? And as soon as that person said that, me see where one person in the video jump. You know, and I am assuming it's like that person that said, yes. You know, like the person seems exciting because of what the person had said. You see me? Now, if what I am saying or what I am assuming is really and truly as how it would seem, then to me that's just wrong, yo. You see me? I mean, nobody is supposed to feel excited if somebody is going to fight. You see me? Remember, no, you know, it's just assumption. You know, I am just assuming that's what's going on. You see what I'm saying to you? But if what I am saying is really and truly true or really and truly is what I am thinking it is, then it's just wrong, you see me? And I would like to encourage each and everyone out there to just avoid the whole heap of confrontation, avoid the whole heap of fights and them things, you see me? Yeah, I said it before in previous videos that I've done, you see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, but I like to say persons out there live loving and, you know, just take care of each other. You see me? I say, talk out on no differences. You see me? I say, nobody the fighting, nobody the arguments. You see me? I say, yeah, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, I saw this video. It's out on social media. For some reason, it's getting attention. And you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. You see me? So I bring this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think, alright? And this is where me leave it. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?